Hi everyone, it's Malia and we have made it to Coron, Philippines. We just flew in from Manila this morning and I'm just gonna be completely honest, I'm a little buzzed right now because we just were able to check into our room, but we did get a few drinks and shots before we checked in. So I am pretty buzzed right now. So I don't know how good of an intro this is gonna be, but I didn't do a proper intro for my first Philippines vlog just because it was so crazy and so hectic. And honestly, those first 3 full days in the Philippines were mostly just us hanging out with family, seeing a bunch of relatives, eating. I feel like that's all we did in those 3 days. And as you probably saw in that vlog, all we did was eat, eat, eat. It was feeding time every hour. I kid you not. And it was like drinking time every hour. And on top of that, this trip is probably the worst jet lag I have ever experienced. Every day I was just falling asleep every time we were like in the car going between spots. Every night when we finally got back into our Airbnb, I would just knock out. I don't know, the jet lag was just really bad for me at the start of this trip. I just think everything that happened in January from moving and work and unpacking, packing for this trip have all just like caught up to me. So first few days were just really bad for me. Energy wise, I had no energy. I was just falling asleep every second I could. But today was actually a lot better and Russ and I actually ran this morning. So I think that really helped. So I actually feel up right now despite being a little buzzed. I'm kind of tired, but I am going to try to jump into the pool after this. But we will be in Coron for 2 full days. It is a pretty fast trip, but I think it'll be just enough days for us to be able to just relax and enjoy this part of the Philippines. I have been to Coron once before back in high school, but I think at that time I was so young that I couldn't really take in and enjoy Coron and Palawan for what it was. So I'm really excited to be back, to be here with my family and with Russ. Overall, there is a group of 10 of us here. It's not my entire family. We also have a family friend who's here. We have actually been friends with this family for over like 25 years. The kids and I went to middle school together and it just so happened they were coming to the Philippines at the same time as us. So after 25 years of just being family friends, we are here in the Philippines together. But I think I'm finally starting to recover from jet lag and we are in a beautiful island that I'm just so excited to enjoy and take in and spend time with my family and show Russ for the first time. It's honestly been so surreal also being here in the Philippines the last few days and showing Russ just my motherland, where I was born, having him meet so many relatives like my Lola, and that part has just been very special to me. But they are flagging me down now. I can see them from the window and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty buzzed right now. So this is probably a horrible intro, I'm so sorry. So I should just jump into the pool now, but enjoy my Coron vlog. I hope you enjoy. I'm pretty drunk. I'm so sorry, but enjoy!
Listen to him the one.
My mom for your birthday.
Thank you. What the
Herbert, what are you doing? Herbert. answer si Alma.
Here we are right now, no longer 17. Oh, and we've been around, got some years on us, and a new balance to see. Yeah. So we're here, but I still appear inside your dream now. Weird, but I still appear inside your sleeping. Does he know about our time inside your REM cycle, and that I'm on the way where the night goes? Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Stay on, baby, we play all the time. Don't have a wild night, 1999. We stay all the while, baby, we play all the
No,
time.
okay lang.
Let's mix up some hormones.
Talaga. Talaga. Talaga.
Blow it on my mind. I memorize your ways now, from your brown eyes, from the waist down. I know what you like. Could we cram in some time before the big sun rises? Oh, though this may not be real, it's the closest thing. Yeah. Though you face gray, I could just stay. What time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Tell me what time to pick
Get
you
back.
up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Stay on, baby, we play all the time. Gonna have a wild night, 1999. Baby, we play all the time. Let's mix up some